Yo. Everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be featuring someone new, and I do not know who are these guys. Okay, so we're gonna react to Stray Kids. In fact, it's my very first time checking out these Stray Kids guys. I do not know them, what they are capable of. So today I'll now learn about these guys, right? So I'll be reacting to Stray Kids perform Bye Bye Bye. Chick Chick Boom, right? So question, to anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley, please let me know down in the comment and let's have a wonderful time down there. So guys, without further ado, let's all dive into what these Stray Kids are capable of. They look so cool. Like this setup, it's so cool, bro. Wow. Wow. I love this. This is gonna be lit. I can tell you it's gonna be lit. Well, well, well. Okay, guys. So based on what I'm seeing here, it's awesome. It's really awesome because you know the settings, the movement with the wire. I guess this is like a puppet kind of show, but not deliberately puppets, but the strings, amazing. I love this. Yo, the dancing skills here. This is amazing. It's my first time, bro. It's my first time. So please bear with me for once. But I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for this one, bro. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man got moves. Got moves. Ah! All right, all right. Yo, wait. This is now the original thing. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. What? Yo, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Yo, who are these guys? Who are these guys actually? Because ain't no way. How come this is my first time checking out these men? What? Yo! And when you speak about a good voice, these are those. These are those. Quite energetic, if you ask me, man. Ah! Hey, hey. Yo. Oh, let the dogs out. Ooh. Oh, let the dogs out. Ooh. Yo. These are the big guns, man. These are the big dogs, bro. Yo.
Filling up my truck, yeah, you want that ride? Boom. Hit you like a truck, I'ma make you fly. Boom.
Terrific. Just terrific. Yo, everyone here seems so talented. The dancing seems so good. The choreography seems so good. The performance is amazing. And the lineup is also amazing. Yo, yo, yo.
Most I know that you want it, boom. Lobos we cannot support it, boom. Ratatata, I'ma make it boom, 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 boom. Vamos, I know that you want.
Oh, man. Yo. Whoa, whoa. Yo, this is giving me the vibe as if I'm there. As if I'm part of the crowd. As if I'm part of the audiences. Yo, I am really and truly impressed with this, bro. I am impressed. Trust me.
it, boom. Chaos is so catastrophic, boom. Ratatata, I'ma make it boom, 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 boom. 클리셰 밖에 자체가 더 클리셰.
Boom, yo, that's dope. That's dope. The transition here is also dope. Also dope. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
나에 대한 견해 전부 육체. 바뀐 건 없어, I'm not a change man. 내 행복은 여전히 그 다음 level take pain. 멈추지 않아라, 시간 봐라.
Can this get any more crazier? Can this get any more nicer than it is now? I feel so. I feel so. So I want to learn more. I want to see more because ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. These dance moves are so smooth, man. As if they are like standing on a glass and sliding across the place. It is smooth, bro. Okay. Like, can you guys tell me something? How much of these guys are so talented? All of them? If you guys tell me all of them, I will believe you. I will believe you. Because every one of them have this unique voice that stands out remarkably. Wow. Rah, 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 rah. Yo. Yo. Oh, yeah. Let's continue. Boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, these Stray Kids, bro, trust me, the name fits them perfectly. In a good way, bro. In a good way. Hey, I'm not sure if they are part of the K-pop team, but every one of these guys seems as if they are from the K-pop side, right? And every guy I've encountered that comes from out of the K-pop community, every one of them can dance, both male, both female. And I never see any form of disappointment taking place in these performances. I am so happy, bro. This made me literally a big fan of the K-pop crew, of the K-pop team. I was a fan before, and it still is, but I'm now a major number one fan from Jamaica. Yo, that drop is so smooth. That wavy drop is so smooth. I can go on and on and on and on with being excited here. Wow. There's so much here, bro, participating. But the participation is to die for, man. I enjoy this so much. Trust me, they did an excellent job. This is really good by them. Trust me. I enjoy this. This is so remarkable to watch. This is so peaceful to watch, bro. As though I'm a Jamaican, I would take a plane from Jamaica to go visit this K-pop group whenever time they are making any form of performances. Because these performances slap wet. A job well done, Stray Kids, bro. If you guys enjoy this one, you guys kill this one, bro. You Stray Kids guys kill this one. And if it was an enjoyable performance, leave a like on the video. And if you guys enjoy this reaction, share the video, comment, tell me your thoughts. And can you guys send some suggestions down in the comments? I'll be happy to look at these Stray Kids guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.